Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are back with another unboxing. What we have for this video, we have The Box by Fashoinsta, and I know this one is super late, but for some reason that's just when they send it to me. This box here is $19 a month and you are going to get, I believe, 5 to 6 full-size items, and the box is set to be worth, I believe, 80 and more, 80 and 100 or 100 plus, but you're set to get a really good value out of this box for $19. For some reason, this box bills me on the 9th, and then I don't get the box until like the 20-something. So this one gets to me really, really late in the month. So that's why we're barely getting to this one here. And it is our October box. So let me go ahead and open it so we can see what we have for this month. And let me see. Oh, it actually says here you have scored $80 to $150 worth of products. So we have our little card, and then we have our little pamphlet giving us the information of what we have inside of the box. And then it comes wrapped in our little tissue paper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this down so we can see what we have inside. And ooh, I'll take this one out first because it's pretty. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a big brush, but it's actually smaller than what I expected. But it's actually a Sigma brush, and it says it is an F89 Bake Kabuki. I was gonna say fake Bake Kabuki. And so let me take it out. Okay, so this is our brush here. It is angled. It's really, really soft, and it is the same. They are synthetic bristles. So this one, it says back here, it just says press on setting powder to bake. And it has a deeply angled brush head. And it just says used with powder products. So this one, you're just, I guess, supposed to pick up your powder, and then it's angled. So then you can just go ahead and press it on here so you can bake your concealer with your powder and stuff. So first item, actually not bad. I actually don't have any other Sigma brushes, so this would be my very first one. Up next, I'll go ahead and grab this one here. And oops, a little bit dusty because of the paper that it has inside. But this one says it is a Jet Super Hydrating Skincare, Invisible Sleeping Jet Mask. So this one here, it just says, apply mask evenly on entire face, wash with lukewarm water the next day. So this is an overnight mask, and it's supposed to fight against the appearance of aging, and it will restore skin's natural radiance. It has lava water, detoxifies, and olive leaf and cranberry. It has a lot of good ingredients, it sounds. So this is just pretty much an overnight mask. That's why I guess it's called a jet mask. You're supposed to leave it overnight, and it's supposed to, do really, really good things for your skin. So item number 2. Let's see what else we have inside. I'll go ahead and grab this one. The packaging grabbed my attention. That's this one here. And this is a sugar lip scrub. I actually don't have, I think I only have one other lip scrub that I always forget to use. But these always come in really, really handy, especially now that it's winter. My lips do get really, really dry. So this is what our packaging looks like. It's pretty simple, but pretty cute. So wow, this one's filled to the tippy top. You don't usually get products that are filled up to the rim like this. Ooh, smells really good. Smells like berries. Makes me want to eat it. So this is a sugar lip scrub, which is actually pretty cool because, like I said, I only have maybe one other one, and I always have to be looking for it when I do want to use it. So now I have a second one. So those are 3 items that we have there. Oh, okay. So maybe we'll get more than 6 items this time. So I'll pull this one out next. This one is from Team Me, and it is a Vitamin C tea infused serum. And it is with hibiscus and vitamin C. That is what the packaging looks like. And I like the feel of this box. It has like a texture. So So let me take it out of the box so we can see what the actual serum looks like. Oh, okay. It actually looks just like the lip scrub. Look at that. They're both pink. I'm sure this one has a different texture because it is a serum. But this is what our packaging looks like from the inside. And of course, here we have a pump. Now I want to smell it, see if it smells like berries too. So that is what our little serum looks like once it's out of the pump. And let me just rub it in. It feels like a gel almost. And it does have a like slight mint, slight hibiscus scent. I don't know where I'm getting the mint, if it's supposed to have vitamin C, but according to this here, so on here, it just says you're supposed to apply the serum both morning and night. Just rub it in with your fingers, and then having it here on my hand, it actually feels very, very cooling. So I see how this might be like a good like pick-me-up for your skin before you put all your makeup on. But it does feel very like a gel, not so much oily or anything like that. So I'm actually excited to try this one out because it feels really, really nice just having it here on my hand. So I want to see how it feels, you know, putting it on my face. So those are 4 items. We still have 2 more to go. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this one here. And it is something from Galactic. Let's see, what is this? Ooh, matte lip paint duo. Let's see what color we have here. Oh, these look to be really nice colors. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I'll go ahead and swatch it right now. So you have one color down here and then the other one up here. The one that I'm going to swatch first is the color Posh. So we have a little dope food applicator, and let's put it here. Ooh, that's a nice color. It's like almost like a nudish, brickish kind of tone. That's it there, right here. And now I'll go ahead and swatch. This one's Allure. So this one looks more on like the pink side instead of, you know, the brown that's here on this one. And that is the wand there. Let me go ahead and put it here. Yeah, so they're almost the same, just that this one here has more of a pink and this one's more on like the brown nude family, but they're very, very similar in tone. Let's see how these dry down. It says here that they're matte, so let's see what it looks like once we're done with our box. Oh wow, so our last item here, we have a palette, and it is from Rude, and it is the Leopardina. Never heard of this, but it says it has 12 eyeshadows and 4 highlighters. So this is our packaging here. Let me take it out so we can see what the colors look like. So our actual package looks just like it did on our sleeve. Now, let me... Oh, these are really nice colors. So we do get a mirror up here, and let me show you guys. These are the colors. They're really, really pretty. So you guys can see both of these rows are our eyeshadow colors, and then this bottom row are the highlighters, and they look really, really pretty. Let me see if I can get some quick swatches so you guys can see what they look like on the skin. Okay, so here are some quick swatches. I went ahead and did 2 of the metallic eyeshadows that feel really, really creamy in the pan, and then they went on really, really smoothly when I put them on my skin. Then I also did, let me see. I also did 2 matte colors that did feel a little bit powdery when I, you know, put my finger in the pan. But when I put them on my skin, it took a little bit more pressure and a little bit more of going back and forth so I can get the color. But of course, going on the lid, I know it's usually a totally different thing. So I want to see how those work on the lid. And then I also did 3, the end here, I did 3 of the highlighters. We got an orangey one. We got one more of a gold tone. We got a pink one that I did not swatch here, and then we got the white one. So all of the highlighters look actually really nice. So this is what our swatches look like. Just remember, I am horrible at swatches, so if you think that they look good here, then they'll most likely perform a whole lot better on the lid. So this one here, our eyeshadow palette, was the last product from our box. Now let me see the pamphlet to see if they give us any retail prices. I believe they do. So let me see. So the Hibiscus Vitamin C Serum, which is this one here, it has a retail value of $45. The Invisible Sleeping Jet Mask, it is $28.50. The Long Lasting Matte Lip Paint Liquid Lipstick Duo from Galactic, this is $26. Then we have our eyeshadow palette, which is from Rude, and is the Leopardina 12 eyeshadow 4 highlighter palette. This one is $21.50. The Sigma F89 Bake Kabuki brush is $25. $25 for one brush. I think that's pretty pricey. And then we have the lip scrub from Kismet. It is Bright and Bubbly All Natural Lip Scrub, $12. And I just noticed something on this little pamphlet that I love, because now I don't have to go and add everything up. They actually give you the value of the box right here. So the value of everything that we got is $158. Keep in mind, I only paid $19 for this box. So if you ask me, I think it's totally worth it, especially because I know a lot more of the items that are in here than I have known on the previous boxes. Like Sigma brushes, I know they have a very good reputation, and Galactic does as well. So if you ask me, within these two, I think I get at least my $19 worth back, which is what I paid for. And then everything else is just pretty much extra, that adds value to my box. So, let me show you guys. These are the two swatches from the lipsticks. So they do go completely matte, and they dry off a pretty nice color. They really don't change color from when you put it on. They just pretty much matte down, and that's what they look like. So those were all the items from my box for the month of October. And actually, I personally think that it was better than last month. But let me know what you guys think down below. This is a fairly new subscription box, and I mean, this being my second box, like I said, I'm happier than I was last month. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. That is all from me from today. I went through all of my products, so that is the end of this video. I will be gone for now, but I will be back with another video pretty soon, and I hope I will see you guys all next time. Bye.